I came to this parliament that we are in March and we have not even received 50%. In fact, what we have received is barely over 10% of the CDF allocation. And Mr. Speaker, we have had a conversation with the CS on this. And the CS is giving his side of the story, which appears not to be very accurate. We have decided that we meet the CS tomorrow as Budget and Appropriations Committee, together with the chair of the CDF. And if possible in that meeting, the CEO of the board should appear, because the CS is claiming to have released 26 billion so far. And when we talk to the chair, he tells us that out of that 26 billion, 18 billion is arrears for the previous years, which, according to the CS, he feels that's not the right way to go. But the bottom line is, Mr. Speaker, that those constituencies which have previously not received CDF are entitled to receive the arrears. And therefore, we must agree with the CS to have those arrears factored in the supplementary budget, and also to make sure that the money is released to the CDF board as soon as possible. And that soon as possible should be not the end of March. We should have all the CDF funds in our accounts. And I want to say that if the executive is not going to listen, then I don't see why, Mr. Speaker, I'm just about to conclude, I don't see why we should deal with what comes from the executive when the money meant for development is not. In fact, we support the executive, we support the president. We know that the president has actually some very important projects, which he calls legacy projects, and we support that, including supporting Nairobi Metropolitan. A lot of money you will see in supplementary budget, Mr. Speaker, is being advanced to Nairobi Metropolitan off budget. And so we are supposed to regularize under 223. Kenya Airways was given a lot of money, billions. Yet for CDF, the money is not available. We know Kenya is facing difficult conditions, but Mr. Speaker, we want to also pass a statement that it cannot only be possible that when other projects are being funded, there is some money. But when it comes to CDF, Kenya is on its knees economically.
Thank you. Well, Mr. Speaker, I remember in his last address to the nation, the president spoke from here and said CDF should be directed to build infrastructure for schools, to assist students to be in school. Mr. Speaker, I wanted to request fellow members to look at how we were dealing with these issues before. Mr. Speaker, we cannot be sitting as a house considering supplementary budget, and it never happened in the previous parliament, when the CDF, a mere 2.5% going to development down there, has not been released to the board.
Okay.
So, Mr. Speaker, the only thing I'm mentioning is that we will not consider the supplementary budget until the board confirms.
Okay, that's enough.
Speaker, sorry I came late when this discussion, but I have listened to Honorable Kaluma, and he is right. But Mr. Speaker, Honorable Kaluma should not cheat this House, because tonight, if Baba talks to him, that will be a different Kaluma tonight. No, let's be very honest, and not only him, Mr. Speaker, not only him. Everybody here. Everybody here. Mr. Speaker, I must be hard.
No, Honorable.